Hello?
Hello, Pam. Good evening. Hi,
Hello.
Pam. Good evening. Hello,
Hello,
Pam.
hello, teacher.
Hi.
Ma'am.
Saka pa. Iyak, iyak, iyak ko lang. Iyak, iyak lang, iyak, iyak. Hilak na yun. Bagong tanga. Hello, Pam. Good evening.
Hello.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me? Yes or no? Hi. Can you hear? Hello, Pam.
Hello?
Here. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. How are you tonight?
I'm happy.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
How are you? Are you happy?
Yes. I'm happy.
Wow, that's great, fam. Okay, so for tonight, we will learn. Are you ready?
Yes. I'm ready.
Okay, now look,
The book
read,
is on
and
the desk.
write. Look at this one. Where is the cap?
The cat is on the desk.
Very good. Okay, now where are the monkeys?
The monkey is in panda.
The
He
monkeys
is
are,
near.
okay, look, look. Where are the monkeys?
It's the infant up.
In front of the tree or under the tree. Okay, in front of the tree, under the tree, or near the tree. Now, what about this one? Where is the apple?
The apple is under the table.
That's right. Very good, fam. Give me a high five. Wow. Okay, so you have 3 out of 3 here. So you got 3 stars. 1, 2, 3.
Two.
Nice.
Two.
Now, let's play a game. Look, look, read, and answer. Where is the bird?
Yes.
Where is the bird?
The bird is on the tree.
Yes, that's correct. Yay! Okay, what about this one? Where is the boy?
The boy behind the tree.
Yes, the boy is behind the tree. Amazing. Okay, now look, where are the pencils?
A pencil is in the pencil case.
Look, look. How many pencils?
The pencil are in the a pencil case.
That's correct. Okay, now look, where are the books?
The book is under the armchair.
Yes, under the armchair. Okay. Now, how many books are there?
4 books.
Okay, there are many books. Very good. Okay. Now look, where is the dog? Where is the dog?
Dog. A dog is near the cat.
Yes, near the cat. What color is the dog?
It color brown.
Brown. Okay, what about the cat? What color is the cat?
It color black.
Nice. Now, look at this one. What is this?
It's a mat.
Yes. Do you like to eat meat?
Yes, I do.
Oh, wonderful. Now look at the dog and the cat. What do they want to do? Look at the dog and the cat. What do they want to do? They want, look, the dog and the cat want to eat the meat. They said, yummy, yummy meat. Okay, now look at this one. Where is the baby?
The baby
The baby is,
on the chair.
okay, on the chair. Yes. Okay, now what color is the chair?
It color
Look at the chair.
green
What?
and red.
That's correct. Do you have a chair?
Yeah,
Nice. How many chairs do you have?
it's
How
a
many chairs do you have?
cotton. Cotton.
How many?
One.
Wow, nice. Okay, so for that one, you've got 10 out of 10. Give me a high 10. Nice. So you still remember in, okay, that's in, on, under, behind, in front of, and near. Okay, now this time, are you ready to learn more?
Yeah. Look.
Wow, wonderful. Now let's learn more. Okay, let's have a review. Now I want you to look at the picture.
In.
Okay, so look, where is the cat?
The cat is in the pillow.
In the bottle. Very good. Now, what about this one? Where is the cat?
The cat is on the pillow.
Amazing. Where is the cat now?
The cat is in the pillow.
Yes. Say bottle. Bottle. Bottle.
Bottom.
Very good.
On. Under.
Okay. Now, look, where is the mouse?
The mouse is behind the box.
That's
Behind.
right. What about this one? Where is the mouse now?
The, the mouse is near the box.
Near.
Nice. Okay. So now look at this one. Listen and say.
Between.
Between.
Very good. Between is in the middle. Between. Okay, now look. What is this? It's a
Oh,
ball. What color
ball.
is the ball? What color is the ball?
The color orange.
It
It color orange.
orange. Nice. Okay, now look at this one. Where is the ball?
The ball is between the box.
Okay. How many boxes? How many boxes?
It's a two box.
Okay, say there are
There are
two boxes.
two boxes.
Okay, one box, that's singular,
One box.
then one, two or more boxes. Okay, if it's only one box, two or more, we add es, boxes. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, fam? Okay? If it's only one, what is this? If it's only one, what is this?
It.
Box. Box. One box.
One box.
Okay, how about two or more? You say boxes.
Box.
Okay, listen carefully. Take note. If it's only one, that's what you call one box. But if it's many, just like two or more, then it is plural now. So we say boxes. We add es. Two boxes. Okay?
Lưu ý nếu chỉ có một thì bạn gọi là một hộp, nhưng nếu nhiều thì chỉ cần hai hoặc nhiều hơn thì bây giờ là số nhiều nên chúng ta nói hộp thì chúng ta thêm hai hộp nhé.
Okay. Now look.
Yeah.
One box, two
One box.
boxes.
Two boxes.
Okay, now look. What do you call this? What is this? What is this? Look, look. What is this?
It's a box.
Look, what is this?
It's a box.
Very good. Now, what are these? These are
Two boxes.
very good. Now, where is the ball?
The ball is behind the ball.
Again,
Between
where is the ball?
the ball between the ball.
One more time. The ball is
The ball is between the box.
boxes.
Boxes.
Okay, last one. Where is the ball?
The ball is between the boxes.
Very good. Okay, now look.
In
Say
front of.
in front of.
In front of.
Nice. In front of is here. Okay, this is the lock. The lock is in front of my hand. In front of. Now, where is the box, the ball now? Where is the ball
The
now?
ball. The ball is in front of the ball.
Very
Next
good.
to.
Next to. Next to. Okay. Where is the ball now?
The ball. The ball is next to the box.
Nice. So we have between, in front of, and next to. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, look at this one. Okay, look. What is this?
It's a ball.
What is this? It's a box.
Box.
It's a box. What is this?
It's a cat.
It's a cat. Now, look. What is this?
It's a leg.
Leaf. Very good. Now, look at the cat. Where is the cat?
The cat is near to the box.
The cat is between the box and the...
Tree.
Very good. Now, look. Where is the cat?
The cat is in front of the frame.
Nice. Now look. Where is the leaf? Where is the leaf?
The leaf is near to the cat.
That's right. Then this is now your cat. Look. All right. Now look at this one. Where is the boy?
The boy is between the house.
Again, how many houses?
It's a two house.
Okay. So if it's only one, House.
House.
Okay,
One
one house. Now, how about
One
if there
house.
are two? Two. We have two
House.
houses.
House.
Houses.
Housing.
Very good. Now, where is the boy?
The boy in between the houses.
Nine. Okay. Now, what about this one? Where is the cat?
The cat is in front of the
Christmas. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. The cat is
in front of the Christmas tree.
very good. Where is the dog? Wait a minute.
A dog is near the boy.
Oh, look. Where is the dog?
A dog is behind the boy.
All right. Nice. So for that one, I will give you 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Okay. Now, this time, let's practice more. Look, look. Where is the boy?
The boy is behind the Christmas tree.
Very good. What about this one? Where is the chair?
The chair is near the elephant.
That's right. Okay. What about here? Where is the house?
The house is between two trees.
Yes. Well done. Give me a high five again. Yay. Amazing. So you have 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now look at this one. Where is the fish?
The fish is on the box.
Nice. Now, where is the teddy bear?
The teddy bear is in the box.
Nice. Okay, where is the apple?
The apple is under the table.
Amazing. Okay, so you have 3 out of 3. So you have 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Yay. Okay, now look at this one. Okay, where are the crayons?
The crayon is The crayon are on in a pencil case.
Okay, one more time. Where are the crayons? The crayons are
The crayon
are in the cup. Okay, now look. Where is the dish?
cup. The dish
Look, where is the dish? Okay, this is fork and spoon. Where is the dish?
dish is to the fork and spoon.
That's right. Okay, now look. Where is the cup?
The cup it is the substrate.
That's correct. Now, what about this one? Where is the car?
The car is the tree.
Near the tree. Very good. Okay, now let's look at this one. Let's play more. Look, look. Where is the apple?
The apple is next to the book.
Very good. What about this one? Where is the cat?
The cat is between the dogs.
Very good. Okay, where is the elephant?
The elephant is inside the house.
Very good. Okay, where is the car?
The car is near the boy.
Okay, behind the man. Now look, where is the bird?
The bird is near the pen.
Are you sure? Look, the bird is here. Where is the bird?
It's a bird.
Near the plane. It's near. Okay, between, listen carefully. Between means in the middle of two things. Near means close to one thing. Okay?
Giờ có nghĩa là ở giữa hai thứ gần, có nghĩa là gần với một thứ được rồi.
Okay? Okay? All right. So
Okay.
for tonight, we reviewed in, okay, in, on, under, In front of, behind, between,
under,
and next to. Okay. So you've got
between,
5, 10, 11 stops. Thank you so Thank you so much for joining our class. I hope you learned something. Bye bye, fam.